are you? I hope you all are doing great today. My name is Renu Rathi and today we will be learning our very interesting and a very relatable topic, that is geometry. In this chapter, we will learn about our previous followings that we have learned earlier: straight and curved lines, plane and curved surfaces, faces, edges and corner, what are solids, points and line segments, how to draw a line segment, open and closed figures, symmetry, mirror image, shapes and pattern, number patterns, and how we can measure our line segments. Now let's start with our let us do. Identify the same shapes and color them alike. Here you have to identify the shapes and you have to color them. Like this shape and this shape is similar, that's how you have to find all the shapes. Now, geometry comes from the Greek word geo, that means earth, and metron means measurement. This is the branch of mathematics which deals with measurement and shapes. Now let's start with the straight and curved lines. We can draw any types of shape with the help of straight and curved lines. Now draw a piece of thread, then stretch the thread tightly. From the two opposite directions, you will get a straight line. Now let it loose, you will get a curved line. These are the straight line, curved line. It is a straight edge and it is a curved edge. Now plane and curved surfaces. The outside of a solid is a surface or a face. The plane is a flat surface. The floor of a room, top of your desk, surface of a blackboard, all are the examples of plane surfaces. Now plane surface, floor, top of a table, dice, blackboard, they all are plane or flat surfaces. Curved surfaces, bowl, globe, egg, they all are curved surfaces. And straight or curved edge, both mixed. These are the examples of candle, pencil, battery cell and chalk are the example of both straight and curved surfaces. Now faces, edges and corners. The outside of a solid is called its face, where the two faces meet to make an edge. Now different shapes have different types of faces and edges. Let's start with the solids. The outside of a solid is called its face and two faces meets to make an edge. Now here is our cube. In a cube, every face is a square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next is our cuboid. Every face is rectangle, 12 face, 6 face, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next is our cone. One face is plane and this one is curved. 2 face, 1 edge, 1 vertex. Next is our cylinder. 2 faces are plane, 1 face is curved. So 3 faces, 2 edges and no vertices. Next one is our sphere, round and it has only 1 face, no edge, no vertices. Let's start the exercise 11.1. In the first one, we have to choose the correct answer. A solid which has 3 faces, that is a cube. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now in the next one, name 3 objects which has both flat and curved surfaces, that is a candle, a pencil, a light bulb. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now let's look at the fifth one. We have to take the correct option. This is a cylinder or a cone. Very good students, it's a cylinder. This one is a cube. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now next is a point and a line segment. This is what we called a point. We use a dot to represent a point. Point has no size. It can be represented by a capital letter. Dot made by sharp pencil always represents a point. Now next, this is a line. It is a triangle, 3 corners, 3 sides and each corner represent a point, and this AB is a line segment. A line has no end, no beginning. It can be extended to any length. A line is an infinite number of points joined together. It is denoted by symbol AB. But this is a line segment which is a part of a line and it has 2 fixed end points. Let's start with exercise 11.2. In the first one, we have to read these line segments. The answer is PQ or QP. In the next one, very good, XY or YX. That's how you have to complete the remaining part. Now in the next one, we have to count the number of line segments in each figure given below. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 line segments are there in this figure. That's how you have to count all of them. Now next is measuring line segments. The distance between 2 points on a line is called a line segment. It is denoted by AB. A line segment has a fixed length. Let's learn to measure a line segment. Now we use a scale to measure a line segment. Centimeter and inches are marked along the edges on the scale. Now let's measure it. In the step 1, we will place the edge of the scale centimeter along the line segment PQ. Then we will adjust the scale to the 0 mark to point P, and then we will read the scale till the point Q, and here we can see that the line segment of PQ is 6 centimeter. Now drawing a line segment. Now we will learn how to draw a line segment of a given length. Now here we have said that we have to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. So firstly what we will do, we will press the scale on the paper, then we will mark the 2 points A and B from 0 to 5 of these scales. Then keeping the scale evenly, we will move the pencil from A to B. Now the line segment AB is of length 5 centimeter. Let's start with exercise 11.3. In the first part, we have to find the length of the line segment with the help of the scale. So here we have written that this length of this is 5 centimeter. That's how you have to find the length. You have to measure it with the scale. Now the next one, which of the following above has the shortest and the longest, that you have to do it by yourself. Now the next one, we have to do a line segment of the given length and name them as directed. So in this one, what we will do, now here let's assume that here is our scale of 0, and then we will move it till the 3 centimeter. So this is our point AB of length 3 centimeter line segment. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now in the next one, we have open and closed figures. Now look at the figures drawn above. All these are made by the lines in which a set of points changes their directions. They have the same starting point and the same ending point. Thus these figures are closed figures. But look at these figures, they have different endpoints. Suppose this is the starting point, but the ending point is this, that means both are different. So if the figure do not end at the starting point, then they are open figures. Next is our symmetry. An object or thing is said to be symmetrical if both its half are exactly the same. Let's start with exercise 11.4. In the first part, we have to look at the following figures and write open and closed below the figure. So first one is very good, open. That's how you can complete the remaining part. And the next one, we have to reflect the shape in the dotted line. Here you have to complete this shape in the dotted line. You will complete it like this, and after that 3 more points to join this, and then you will. In the next one, we have to take the figures that are symmetrical. So the first one is symmetrical. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Mirror image. Stand in front of a plain mirror. What do you notice? You will see an image of yourself in the mirror. Now you and your mirror image are always the same, but we can say that your image is the half of each other. Now look at the pictures given below. Observe the dotted lines divide each picture into similar halves. They all are dividing each other into the similar halves. Now let's look at the shapes and patterns. Now look at the following patterns. Here are the patterns: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. What do you observe? In the first one, horizontal line. In the second one, vertical line is joined from the right end. In the third one, a horizontal line is joined from the right end. In fourth one, a vertical line is joined from the right end, and in the fifth one, again a horizontal line is joined from the right end. Now next is the project work that you have to do. Color. You have to color the squares red. So which one is a square? So this is a square that you will color red. That's how you have to complete it. Now next is exercise 11.5. In the first one, some pictures are given below. Using the dotted line, divide those pictures which form into 2 similar halves. So we can divide it into 2 similar halves like this, like this. That's how you have to complete it for all the figures. In the next one, we have to complete the following sequence. In this sequence, what we will do, the next pattern will be like this. That's how you have to complete it. Now in the next one, we have the think tank. In the first one, we have to take the correct answer. A dash has no end point. A line has no end point. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now in the next one, match the following. A cone. Second option is the correct answer. Next is our maths puzzle. We have to search the shape name according to the face and the edges. Here is our cylinder, and here you can find all of them according to the face and shapes. Next is our horse. Fill in the blanks with the words curved or plain. A woolen bowl has a very good curved surface. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice the exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.